Hello all, welcome to NSA Maths. Today we are going to solve the examples on power series method. So first example, find series solution of d square y by dx square plus x square y equals to 0. So first of all, compare this equation with p0 of x d square y by dx square plus p1 of x dy by dx plus p2 of x into y is equals to 0. We will get the value of p0 of x is equals to 1. Value of p1 of x is equals to 0 because the term dy by dx absent here, and value of p2 of x is equals to x square. So see, the value of p0 of x is 1. It is not equals to 0 for x is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 0 is ordinary point. So first we check whether x is equals to 0 is ordinary point or not. So in this case or this example, x is equals to 0 is ordinary point. Therefore, let us suppose that the solution of this differential equation is y is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3 x cube plus dot dot dot. That can be written in the series format. Summation k varies from 0 to infinity ak x to k. Now here this is the value of y, and given differential equation contains the terms of y, terms of d square y by dx square. So we just differentiate it 2 times to get value of d square y by dx square. So after differentiating we will get dy by dx is equals to summation ak and derivative of x is to k is k into x is to k minus 1. Note down here k varies from 1 to infinity. So why the k varies from 1 to infinity? If you see the power of x, it is k minus 1. We require the power of x as greater than or equals to 0. So if you vary k from 0, so here x is to 0 minus 1, it becomes power of x is minus 1. We require the power of x greater than or equals to 0. That's why after taking first derivative, our k varies from 1 to infinity. ak derivative of x is to k is k into x is to k minus 1. Then double derivative d square y by dx square. Again differentiate this dy by dx. Now this time k varies from 2 to infinity. The first k as it is, derivative of x is to k minus 1 is k minus 1. This ak as it is, and the power of x is to k minus 2. See here, this k as it is, ak as it is, and derivative of x is to k minus 1 is k minus 1 into x is to k minus 2. Again the power of x is k minus 2. So to make the power greater than or equals to 0, so we have to write k start from 2. K is varies from 2 to infinity. Now put the value of d square y by dx square and y, this value in this given equation. So therefore given equation becomes d square y by dx square, that means summation k varies from 2 to infinity k into k minus 1 ak x is to k minus 2 plus this x square into y. So plus x square as it is into y. Value of y is summation k varies from 0 to infinity ak x is to k is equals to right hand side of this equation is 0. Now this first term as it is, summation k varies from 2 to infinity k into k minus 1 times ak x is to k minus 2 and multiply x square inside. So you will get summation k varies from 0 to infinity ak as it is, and here you will get x is to k plus 2 because of x square into x is to k, it is x is to k plus 2. So is equals to 0. Now see here the power of x is k minus 2, here power of x is k plus 2. We have to make a same power here. So to make a same power, for the first part For this part I am going to put here k is equals to m plus 2. Here I am going to put k is equals to m plus 2. When I put k is equals to m plus 2 here, see m plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, you will get the power of x as a m. Similarly, you have to make here power of x as a m. So for that you have to use the substitution here. Here put k is equals to m minus 2. So if we put here k is equals to m minus 2, so m minus 2 plus 2, that becomes the power is m. Now after using this, you will get here therefore summation value of k is m plus 2. M plus 2 is equals to 2 to infinity. Value of k is m plus 2. Then k minus 1, that is m plus 2 minus 1, that is m plus 1. ak, so a m plus 2, x is 2, k is m plus 2 and that minus 2 as it is. Plus summation value of k is m minus 2 is equals to 0 to infinity. A value of k is m minus 2. Then x is 2, value of k is m minus 2 for the second part, plus 2 is equals to 0. Now simplifying, therefore it becomes summation. This 2 and 2 get cancelled, or this 2 goes to RHS, it becomes 2 minus 2 0. So m varies from 0 to infinity. M plus 2, m plus 1, a m plus 2, x is 2, minus 2 and plus 2 get cancelled, so you will get x is to m. Plus summation, if this minus 2 goes to RHS, so m is equals to 2 to infinity. A m minus 2, x is to minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, you will get x is to m equals to 0. So this is the first part. We just make the power of x is same in both the summations. So we make here power of x as a m. Now see, here the series start from 0 and this series start from 2. So in the next step we have to also make the series start from the same value. So consider the maximum value. Here series start from 2. So we have to make the adjustment in the first part and we have to make this series also start from 2. So for that we are going to put the value of m is 0 and value of m is equals to 1 in this series. So what you will get, see, when you put m is equals to 0, so you will get 0 plus 2, that is 2, into 0 plus 1, it is 1, into 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, plus because of summation plus sign. Now put m is equals to 1, so 1 plus 2 it is 3, into 1 plus 1 is 2, and here a 1 plus 2 is 3, so you get 3, and here value of m is 1, so you will get x is to 1. And remaining term, that means series m varies from 2 to infinity. This series m varies from 2 to infinity as it is m plus 2, m plus 1, a m plus 2, x is to m. See the adjustment here. So for making this series starting from m is equals to 2, we put value of m is equals to 0 and m is equals to 1, and then the given series start from m is equals to 2. Then second term as it is, summation m is equals to 2 to infinity, a m minus 2, x is to m is equals to 0. Now simplifying, you will get this 2 times a2 plus 6 times a3 x plus, now both series start from 2 to infinity, and also the both series contain the power of x is to m. So combining both series, so you will get m varies from 2 to infinity. Coefficient of x is to m, here coefficient of x is to m is m plus 2, m plus 1, a m plus 2, and here the coefficient of x is to m is a m minus 2 into this x is to m as it is equals to 0. Now equating the coefficients to 0, equating coefficients to 0. See what happens. First we equate the coefficient constant term. So there is only constant term in whole equation. This is 2a2. So this 2a2 equals to 0. This implies value of a2 is 0. Then equating coefficient of x to 0. See, this series start from 2. That means the minimum power of x is 2 here, x is to 2. So the term having coefficient or the term of x is only 1. So it is 6a3 into x. Equating the coefficient of x is 0. So you will get 6a3 equals to 0. This implies value of a3 is also 0. After that, we have the term of x is to m. So equating the coefficient of x is to m to 0. So this is a square bracket consists of the coefficient of x is to m. Equate this term to 0. So you will get, now equating coefficient of x is to m to 0. So you will get m plus 2 into m plus 1, am plus 2 plus am minus 2 equals to 0. This is also called recurrence relation. This relation, the coefficient of equating the coefficient of x is to m equals to 0. This is also called the recurrence relation for the given example. Now adjust this recurrence relation, rearrange this recurrence relation for am plus 2. So you will get this am plus 2 is equals to minus am minus 2 upon m plus 2 into m plus 1. Now from this recurrence relation we are going to find the remaining values. From the first part we already calculate the values of value of a2 and value of a3. Now from the recurrence relation we are going to find the values of a4, a5 and so on. So to get the value of a4 we have to put value of m is equals to 2 here. So put m is equals to 2 in the recurrence relation, we will get a4 is equals to minus times here 2 minus 2, that is 0, a0 upon value of m is 2 plus 2 is 4 into 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is minus a0 by 12. So we will get the value of a4 in terms of a0. Then put m is equals to 3. So we will get a5 is equals to, so here minus times value of m is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we will get a1 upon 3 plus 2 is 5 into 3 plus 1 is 4. That means minus a1 upon 20. Similarly for m is equals to 4 we can calculate a6. It is equals to minus of a 4 minus 2, that is 2 upon 4 plus 2, that is 6 into 5. But we know that value of a2 is 0, so this will becomes 0. For m is equals to 5, we will get a7. This is minus of a3 upon 7 into 6. Also the value of a3 is 0, so this term becomes 0 and so on. So you will get the values of values of a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, a7 in terms of a0 and a1. Now, so our solution becomes, what we consider in the first step, we consider our solution is y is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x is to 5 a4x is to 4 plus a5x is to 5 plus dot and so on. So putting the values of a2, a3, a4, a5 like that here. So this equation becomes a0 as it is, a1x as it is. Value of a0, we will get the value of a0 is 0. So this is 0. We will get this term as a 0. Also value of a3 is 0. So this term is also 0. Then value of a4 will get minus of a0 upon 12 into this x is to 4 as it is. Value of a5, it is minus a1 upon 20 into x is to 5 plus dot. Remaining terms we are not going to calculate. Then this is equals to, now collect the terms of a0 and collect the terms of a1 separately. So the terms of a0, taking a0 common, so a0 into the first term is 1 and this term is minus x is to 4 by 12 plus dot. Then plus sign, collect the terms of a1. So taking a1 common, so you will get here x and here minus x raised to 5 upon 20 plus dot dot dot. So we will get y is equals to a0 into 1 minus x raised to 4 upon 12 plus dot 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 plus a1 into x minus x raised to 5 upon 20 plus dot dot dot. This is a general solution for given example. Since our given question is the second order differential equation, so in the general solution there are two constants. So see here we will get the two constants a0 and a1 in the general solution. So this is our final solution. So remaining examples we will see in the next video. Thank you.